Hello and welcome all to the day two of Mega 3-day Epic Higher EdTech Innovation Conclave 2021. Today, I have a pleasure introducing with you Abhishek Ballav, co-founder Extra Edge with us. He is joining us for a very interesting, very informative presentation that will definitely help universities out there to know how Extra Edge is helping admission team to meet their admission outcome. So, Abhishek Ballav, the stage is all yours. Over to you. Please start your presentation.
Thank you, Gopi. Pleasure having here, and thank you for having me here. Without further ado, good afternoon, everyone in the audience, and let me share my screen and get started.
Yes, it's
Uh,
visible.
okay. So, good afternoon, everyone. As Gopi introduced, my name is Abhishek, and I'm the co-founder of Extra Edge. Extra Edge is one of the category leaders and leading admission technology platform, uh, which supports education institutes in India, in UK, and UAE. And the topic that I wanted to cover is very dear to our hearts is how can we help admission teams win. So, a bit about Extra Edge. We have our admission platform, a marketing platform, and a credit platform. Basically, there are three core problems that happens with any education brand, be it a university, a group of institutes, a coaching or a edtech or a test prep, that they really need to understand the student journey. So using our admission platform, we help them to understand the student journey. Once you understand the journey of a prospect, you will know when to rightly communicate to him at a right point in time. One size fits all never works. So tailored communication, personalization, we live in that age. And that's where the marketing platform comes into picture. But how can you make your brand and your prospect communication more tailored, personalized, and more, right communication at the right time, so as to speak. And the third aspect is that you have been doing admissions not this year, but probably for the past 8 to 10 to 15 to 20 years, as long as the college has existed. As the digitization of admissions is happening using machine learning and using prediction technologies, a bit of AI, how can you learn about your behavior of your prospects year on year and how we could help you to predict your convertibility going forward. So that's the platform. We are a dedicated admission and a marketing CRM automation platform in India. Uh, some success stories which are very, very critical and important that we have been working with around 240 education leaders and helping the remote counseling teams to come online during COVID, helping universities to move their entire applications online. The digitization of universities complete offline admission process is something that we have shepherded, and also using conversational bots. How can bigger brand teams take their counseling to the next level? So that's what we have done. One of the biggest case studies that we have seen has been of Bharati Vidyapeeth University. Bharati Vidyapeeth University, as few of you would definitely know, is the oldest and largest university in Maharashtra. And what we have seen with them is that in the College of Engineering, we were able to leverage and increase the applications by 10x using our product during the time of COVID. And this was surprising because this digital-led admissions and application intake really leveraged our product and took it to the next level. So, light of I wanted to start with not about us, but more about what we do for somebody like you. Right? So these are the success stories that we have been building. Now we have been growing. We work with around 225 odd institutes. We have analyzed around 4 million odd leads in the last 5 years, and we support more than now around near about 4,000 admission teams all across India and a few other countries. The important bit why I'm talking about there's a macro phenomena behind it. Admission teams understand that students want a new admission experience. You see that there are two digitization waves that are very, very clearly blowing, past COVID. And the one wave is how can you digitize skilling and employability to generate better learning outcomes. That's one wave, and there are other players in that wave. The second wave is that how can the acquisition be digitized and how the admissions or when the student for the first touch point meets a university, how that touch point can be understood better to make sure the right student comes at the right fit and he matches a particular course in a university. So it needs to be real time, it needs to have social engagement, it needs to have follow up and guidance. As I spoke about, right communication at the right time is very, very important. And you need to have a full technology stack which allows you to counsel and advise students in the real time basis. So this is what expectation from an admission team in 21st century post COVID is there. Now, what it fundamentally means is that in the previous Avatar, marketing used to happen everywhere, but that now happens where your Gen Z and millennial students are. It used to be more selling, it's more counseling. The brand is more online, mobile, and social, and positioning has to be periodic and consistent. Gone are the days that you only think about admissions or your acquisition 3 months before the cycle starts. It won't work today. It has to be ubiquitous across the year. And your team or your admission team members or your counselors, as we call them, have to pitch. The narrative has to be sharp. They need to have the right tools at their onset to, to nurture and engage the prospects. Right. So, so that's why a new age admission trends and stack is required, right? From a CRM, from drip communication, video counseling, AI bots, CRM, and so on and so forth. During COVID and pandemic, what we saw that things like how can you counsel students and build trust over the video online using the product? How can you make your ongoing, incoming, and outgoing calls like I call my father or my mother from a smartphone itself, and the system is doing the heavy lifting for yourself? How can you collect micro payments like you pay for a Swiggy or a Zomato using probably a mobile app on your application forms? So we saw these consumer trends and we created products in our admission technology stack that are helping not only the new age universities or new age group of institutes, but even the older institutes to jump on the bandwagon of digitization of admissions. Now, three kinds of platform. I'll go a bit deeper into it. The first is basically the understanding of the journey. Some people call it CRM, some people call it LMS. We call it a way to understand the student's lead journey. The management is able to take data based on decision based on analytical data. The teams and the heads benefit because they're in control of what's happening right and wrong with their entire funnel at any point in time. Moving on to it, the communication bit or the marketing platform. As I said, that the return on ad spend is a very important aspect because education brands spend money to get leads, and nurturing them at the right point in time becomes extremely critical. I mean, even consumer platforms send you personalized emails. Why not in an enterprise setup? You should get enterprise emails and personalized emails. So we facilitate that. And finally, we use your existing data set to tell you whether this particular guy is a right match or not. So basically using historical intelligence to decide what should be the next best action. Should your people focus on that cohort or should they shut down and focus on the right kind of students? So we also help you with that. That's what we are doing. I mean, we are helping make admissions or acquisitions predictable and data driven for education enterprises across the globe. We support universities not in India, but also in UAE, Dubai, and in UK today. So we are expanding. And I'll end up with this thought that, uh, there is a new digitization wave in the country, and education or and edtech are at its forefront. What you see is on the surface are discussions and deliberations on skilling, on learning, but below the iceberg, there is a huge lot of digitization of acquisition. We are operating in that area, and we are helping our customers who are universities, coaching, test prep, and group of institutes understand that this needs to be a very thought after investment in technology for the next 10 to 15 years as millennial and Gen Z students show the different buying and consuming behavior. So for that, all your leads, all your counselor activity, or your admission motions have to be put into one complete admission technology where the CRM does its job to identify the right fit, the marketing automation does the job to identify the right messaging, and the prediction does its jobs to tell you what's working right and wrong and who's the right fit for you. It's a new age admission platform which requires a new age thinking. At Extra Edge, we are proud to be facilitating that and contributing a smaller bit in that uh, digitization of admission phenomenon that's playing out today in the Indian education market. My name is Abhishek Balla, and I'm the co-founder of Extra Edge. And it was an honor and privilege to talk to all of you. Thank you.